Hi everyone, Alberto here from Immersive Trips, and this is my 2004 Cannondale F400. This is my everyday bike. I use it for commuting, going for shopping, pub bike, going around town just for fun, you know, visiting friends or local markets or anything. Used to be my only bike for a couple of years, and then I added another couple of bikes to my collection. This one back in 2004 was an entry-level mountain bike for the Cannondale lineup. It used to cost 550 odd pounds. I bought it off eBay for 150 pounds back in 2018, and then I swapped out a few components. I will get to this later. I always like Cannondale for the unique styles, very bold design. I fell in love with their lefty fork, which is a fork with only left blade. They use it for both suspension and rigid. On their last Cannondale top stones, the gravel bike full suspension is simply amazing. So let's jump to the components, starting off of course with the frame. This is a aluminum T6 TIG welded frame, handmade in USA. This is one of the last mountain bikes handmade in USA by Cannondale. In 2010 the whole production moved to Taiwan, like all other bike companies. I was really keen on getting one of these, so I started to look online, you know, usual eBay for days and weeks, and then finally I found out this deal. I really like the color scheme as well. It's pretty light. The whole bike weighs in just shy of 12 kilos, to be precise 11.8. And this was also held by the carbon fork I mounted. So I bought this bike actually with a Marzocchi Bomber suspension fork, which I really didn't need for the city. So I went for carbon blades and aluminum steerer. It's about 800 grams compared to the 1.5 kilos roughly of the suspension fork, so I managed to save some weight there. Cockpit completely swapped out, apart from the headset. The headset is the same, the FSA, but I changed the stem to a 90mm fan stem. Handlebar, I went for Truvative T30 aluminum bar, 60 centimeters, which is quite narrow for a mountain bike, but I really didn't need a wide 75 or 80 centimeter bar. This one, you know, allowed me to weave around traffic and narrow spaces in the city. Grips, I swapped them out to these token grips, nothing fancy, but they do their job. Brakes, I bought them new Shimano Deore hydraulic disc brake front and back. These are simply amazing. Come to a stop with just a pinch of the lever, never let you down in any weather condition. The same in the London traffic a couple of times as well. It's kind of difficult to go back to rim brakes after trying this, but yeah, I really love them. Wheels, we have 26-inch old school wheels by Alex rims. These are, I bought this bike used already with these rims. They are DP20 with DT Swiss Alps, but I changed the tire. So I used to ride for a couple of months with some Schwalbe CX Comp gravel tire, which were quite slow and noisy. So then I went for the slick ones. These are Schwalbe Kojak 2-inch wide tire, and they are amazing as well. Fantastic tires, any weather condition. I was afraid that, you know, they could let me down in the rain, but never, touching wood. Only had 2 punctures in the rear in over 5,000 kilometers, and they're really sturdy, low rolling resistance, very fast and very silent as well, which I love it. Seat post, it's a very basic seat post. I never change it, does the job. And then I have a Selle Italia saddle, which I changed a couple of months ago. I had another one, but this is quite good. Nothing fancy again, but I forgot, the frame is a medium-sized frame, 16-inch seat tube and 22 top tube. And then moving to the drivetrain, again old school triple in the front, so it's a 3x9. In front we have Truvative 175 crank arm with a 44 32 22. I was thinking to swap it to a 1x, but to be honest, I mean, London is pretty flat, but sometimes when I go west or south where it's a bit hilly, I need the second ring. So you know, I like the look of it, the old school. Pedals, I have some nuke-proof flat pedals with some stud for additional grip. In the back we have a Shimano Deore LX rear derailleur, really good. If you think about it, it's almost 20 years old, but never miss a beat. As long as you keep it clean and you do a regular maintenance, it's perfect. Cogs, we have a rear cassette which I swapped out last year. Is an 1134 Shimano cassette. And yeah, so this is all, guys. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, what you think about, if you have any idea for new components or upgrade. And yeah, see you to the next one. Bye.